A tighter CNC tolerance is not automatically a better specification. Before tightening a limit, ask 3 questions. First, what function does the feature control: fit, sealing, alignment, or motion? Second, which features truly need the tighter limit? Apply it where function demands it, not by default. Third, how will the requirement be verified? Define the measurement method and inspection stage. Start with function, then align machining and inspection around the requirement,